Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome back to Mechanical Special. The mass airflow sensor is a critical component in the engine management system of a vehicle. Today, we are going to discuss the symptoms of a bad MAF sensor. Before we jump into the symptoms, let's quickly recap what the MAF sensor does. The primary function of the MAF sensor is to measure the amount of air entering the engine. The powertrain control module uses this information to calculate and adjust the air-fuel mixture for optimal combustion in the engine. The MAF sensor is located on the large hose between the intake manifold and the air filter box. Its exact location varies from manufacturer to manufacturer, as they fit the sensor based on the engine design. Symptoms of a bad MAF sensor. 1. Check engine light illuminates. The engine control module monitors all sensors in the car engine to ensure that everything is okay. If a sensor sends an incorrect signal, the ECM or PCM will turn on the check engine light. Therefore, if your MAF sensor is faulty and sends wrong information to the engine control unit, the check engine light will illuminate your dashboard. 2. Slow acceleration. Your engine needs a perfect air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber for optimal performance. A faulty MAF sensor can cause an incorrect air-fuel mixture, which can cause many strange performance issues with your car. Slow acceleration is one such possibility. 3. Rough idle. Your car engine is most susceptible to engine problems when idling. A bad MAF sensor can cause an unstable air-fuel mixture, resulting in erratic combustion. This can lead to stalling or rough idling, as the engine struggles to maintain a consistent and smooth operation. 4. Hard starting condition. All car engines are very sensitive to the right airflow mixture at the exact starting moment. If the wrong amount of fuel is injected into the engine, when you try to start your car might crank a little longer than usual, or it may even refuse to start at all. A faulty MAF sensor can affect the initial air-fuel mixture during startup. 5. Black smoke from exhaust pipe. Black smoke coming from the exhaust pipe is a strong sign that your engine is getting too much fuel compared to the amount of air. Therefore, if you realize that a lot of black smoke is pouring out of your exhaust pipe, there is a significant risk that your engine is running too rich. A bad MAF sensor could be the cause. 6. Poor fuel efficiency. A faulty MAF sensor can disrupt the balance of the air-fuel mixture, causing the engine to operate less efficiently. Your vehicle may experience a decrease in fuel efficiency, leading to lower miles per gallon. 7. Increased emissions. Inaccurate MAF sensor readings can lead to improper combustion, resulting in higher levels of emissions. This not only affects environmental compliance, but can also contribute to poor engine performance. 8. Misfires. Misfires occur when one or more cylinders fail to burn the fuel. To burn the fuel correctly, the engine needs three things: the right air-fuel ratio, ignition, and compression. Incorrect air-fuel mixture due to a malfunctioning MAF sensor can contribute to engine misfires. 9. Rich or lean running conditions. The MAF sensor plays a crucial role in determining the proper air intake volume. If it provides inaccurate readings, the ECM may incorrectly adjust the fuel injection, causing the engine to run rich or lean. 10. Unusual exhaust odors. An imbalanced air-fuel mixture can result in incomplete combustion in the engine cylinders. Incomplete combustion may produce unusual exhaust odors, such as a rich fuel smell, as unburned fuel is expelled through the exhaust system. Thanks for watching the complete video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated.